Hello everyone, it's Brett here, Lionheart84, and I've got a brief video about pomegranate flowers here. Now, I don't know if this holds true for all pomegranate varieties or if there's a lot of variation on their flowering habits, but this one I've got in ground, which I don't know if it's a named variety or not, seems to behave, just waiting for the plane to go overhead, seems to behave typically of most pomegranates as far as I can find online, in that it produces both male and female flowers. Now the interesting thing is the female flowers actually seem to have male parts on them, but they also have a female section on them, but you can tell the difference because the female flowers have a much elongated rear to them, which I've shown in videos in previous years. Now what seems to happen with pomegranates, and pretty much all pomegranates as far as I can see, is that the initial flowers that develop on the plant all seem to be male, so a little bit earlier in the season. Now I'm filming this at near the end of May, and this is the earliest I've ever had flowers on my in-ground pomegranate. It's only the second year that it's properly flowered, but so far all of the flowers that are developing, there's another one there, there's more coming at the back, there's some there as well, smaller ones here at the front. Let's see if I can find some. These ones here. At present all of the flowers that are coming appear to be male. They're a much shorter flower. The female is noticeably longer at the back, elongated. So even when they open, you can't do any cross-pollination because there are no female flowers to be pollinated. Now it would appear that for whatever reason the female flowers come out later. They continue to produce male and female flowers. It may well be that some of these small ones starting to come here might turn out to be females, but at present, even though it's going to be flowering earlier than it ever has done before, those flowers should be opening probably after the first 2 weeks of June. I won't be able to pollinate these because these won't have female parts in them, so it's worth bearing in mind when you're growing pomegranates, and if they flower for you the first time, and it is sort of not so easy to get them flowering here in the UK, that you won't necessarily be aiming for fruit set initially. I'm thinking that this should continue flowering well through June into July, and I would expect to see female flowers, if it keeps developing flower buds, by the latter part of June, and then I'm hoping to get males, and obviously at that time cross-pollinate. I only had one very small fruit last year, but it's the first time it's ever set fruit for me, so obviously I'm hoping that I might be able to do the same again this year, but it is dependent on having both viable male and female flowers on the plants at the same time, otherwise you can't hand pollinate them. Anyway, I thought that might prove useful to a couple of people. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, obviously share the video if you think it might be handy to anyone, and remember to click on the bell if you'd like updates on new videos when they come out. I'll catch up with you all soon. Brett out for now.